Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Davis Mountain Air Force Base in Tucson has the largest aircraft repair shop and storage facility on Earth. Siri was meant for Android phones before Apple stepped in. When receiving a tattoo, your skin is pricked between 50 and 3000 times per minute by a needle in the tattoo machine. Astronauts in space are exposed to the same amount of radiation as 150 to 6000 chest X-rays. Known for their playful behavior, dolphins are highly intelligent. They are smart as apes, and the evolution of larger brains is surprisingly similar to humans. The Earth rotates around the Sun nearly 30 km per second or 67,000 miles per hour. Sony appears to be working on a smart contact lens that is able to record what the wearer is seeing. It is not possible for the mountains to be higher than 15,000 meters due to the gravity of the earth and greater pressure. To keep from drifting apart while they smooth, sea otters often sleep holding paws. Enough gold in the ocean for us each to have 9 pounds of it. African elephants have the best sense of smell in the animal kingdom. We can survive only up to 10 to 15 seconds in space without spacesuit. The world's highest railway bridge is being built in Jammu and Kashmir. In 1986, a volcanic lake in Africa burped a C02 gas cloud that killed 1,746 people in minutes. An octopus with 96 tentacles was caught in Japan in 2008. It would take less than 6 months to get the moon by car at 60 mph. The city Montessori School in Lucknow is the world's largest school in terms of the number of students. Airbus unveils designs for hydrogen-powered aircraft which could be flying by 2035. Magnetic Hill is a gravity hill located near Ladakh, India. The cracking sound your joints make is the sound of gases being released. Luca is designed to be an easy-to-use cell phone for people who are blind or visually impaired. The shoebill stork, native to East Africa, is seen as one of the most terrifying birds on planet due to its statue-like stance and creepy expression. Doctors removed 27 contact lenses from a 67-year-old woman's eye. Vinod Dham, aka father of Pentium chip that is used in over 90% of computers today. Scientists have made a contact lens that let you zoom in by blinking. Air pollution now kills more people than smoking. Indian High Court ruled that parents can take back their gifted property if they are ill-treated or harassed by their children. This is a great decision. Unicorns actually existed about 29,000 years ago. This is how babies used to fly in airplanes in 1930s. The size of a husky compared to the size of a wolf. Chris Hemsworth was not allowed to do interviews with Chris Evans because they were too childish together. Almost half the world's population watched both the 2010 and 2014 FIFA World Cup games. Bill and Melinda Gates have given away more than $45 billion since 1994. 8th grade student from a town in Alaska must spend 2 nights on an uninhabited island as a part of their science exam. Sloths don't fall out of trees when they sleep because of how their claws evolved. A wall of trees is being planted across Africa to help prevent desertification. This artist spent 8 years growing a tree chair by gradually redirecting its branches. Tickling was a form of torture used in ancient China nobility because it left no mark and recovery was quick. There's a planet that's shaped like a potato. Haumea orbits the Sun beyond Neptune and has rings similar to Jupiter. Psychology claims that if two past lovers can remain just friends, it's either they are still in love or never were. A UK survey found that couples who sleep naked together are more likely to be happy with the relationship than couples who sleep clothed. Thanks for watching.